Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Stellar Lumens. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 400 likes, and I also want to know down below, what price do you think Stellar could be by the end of 2021? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Nobes Patreon. We have the loyal supporter membership where you can help support the channel. We have the brand new gold membership where you'll receive access to my VIP group on Discord, where I'll provide my top cryptocurrency shouts every month, potential coin breakouts, and cryptocurrencies you should potentially look into. And finally, we have the diamond membership where if you are brand new to cryptocurrency, just getting started, or if you need help at all with your portfolio, I will help you to the best of my ability. I will answer any questions you have about cryptocurrency, and I'll also offer any personal support. You will also get access to all the previous tiers. I would advise checking it out as we are looking to build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If it's something you think you might be interested in, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment section down below. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to take a look at this market because it is looking absolutely insane at the moment. We are seeing tremendous price action, and as I kept saying throughout 2020, 2021 is going to be the year of cryptocurrency, and so far it is exceeding expectations. The market cap is getting ever so closer to that $1 trillion market cap, so when that does happen, it is going to be an incredible milestone for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has currently broke its all-time high again to above $35,000, Ethereum is at $1,200, XRP is at 24 cents, Litecoin is at $167, Cardano is up 25% over the last 24 hours to 31 cents, Polkadot is at $10.14, Stellar has had an incredible run over these past few days and it is up to 31 cents, and Chainlink is up to $17.13. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest news to do with Stellar, so let's start off with its price. Stellar is currently up 60% over the past 24 hours, it is up 134% over the last 7 days, it is up 335% over the last 90 days, and it is up 557% over this past year. If I show its chart on the 30-day, as you can see here, after the very nice run Stellar did have, we ended up consolidating around these prices, which would have been the best time to buy. We ended up bottoming at around 13 cents, and now we have gone over double in value, which is absolutely insane. If I show its chart on the 12-month, and as you can see, over this past year there has been some incredible buying opportunities for Stellar, and now their price is looking insane. We have been saying for a long time now that 2021 is going to be the year for cryptocurrency, and now it is starting to look that way. We're now going to jump into the first piece of news to do with Stellar, and this article says Ukraine taps Stellar to develop digital asset infrastructure including CBDC framework. Stellar's development arm will work with Ukrainian government on several digital asset initiatives. The Stellar Development Foundation has signed an agreement with the Ukrainian government to facilitate the creation of a digital asset ecosystem, including a framework from a central bank digital currency, or CBDC. Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation announced Monday that it has entered into an agreement of understanding with the Stellar Development Foundation. The MOU outlines Ukraine's strategy for developing digital assets and CBDC infrastructure. This includes providing support to projects specializing in digital assets, implementing and regulating stablecoin circulation, and promoting the development of a CBDC. A press release from the Stellar Development Foundation on Monday confirmed that the agreement was signed on December 28th. The Deputy Minister of Ministry of Digital Transformation told Cointelegraph that facilitating a national cryptocurrency doesn't mean that Stellar will develop the Ukrainian CBDC, rather the Stellar partnership is expected to enable quality decision making regarding development of the virtual assets ecosystem in Ukraine. When asked about Ukraine's potential to lead cryptocurrency and blockchain development in Europe and the world, the Deputy Minister said his ministry is integrating best practices from Switzerland, the United Kingdom, Malta, Liechtenstein and the United States. He elaborated, crypto companies, blockchain startups and financial institutions, all of them seek a legally protected environment for conducting business, and the Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine is working on building a legal framework that will offer a transparent and stable regulatory environment for blockchain and crypto companies. So overall, this is nothing but breaking news for cryptocurrency and Stellar. This is now showing what direction we are heading in. You are now starting to see some of the biggest names, some of the biggest countries, some of the biggest places in the world starting to get into cryptocurrency. And you know what that means. It means that cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. I want to know your thoughts down below. What cryptocurrency are you most bullish on going into this year? This is the next article I want to show you, and it says Stellar's XLM is up almost 150% in the last 7 days. In brief, there is no particular announcement spurring this price increase, although the OCC stablecoin announcement may have a factor. With such lofty gains, is alt season here? And it says down here, has alt season arrived? It might just have. Stellar Lumens XLM has appreciated dramatically over the past week. Before altcoin season commences, Bitcoin and Ethereum may need to see drastic price increases. Bitcoin has already broken the $35,000 handle for the first time, and Ethereum is up over 50% in the past week. Although the number 1 and the number 2 cryptocurrencies have been stealing the show, Stellar's XOM token has been the biggest gainer of the week, by far. In the last 7 days, XOM is up over 140%, increasing its price by over 90% in the last 24 hours alone. According to CoinGecko, this makes XOM the top performing cryptocurrency out of the 100 largest tokens. What caused the recent price spike? It's hard to pinpoint what caused XOM to take off, as there has been a few announcements that would point to such massive increase in growth. The US Treasury of the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, the largest US-based banking regulator, recently issued guidance on banks using stablecoins for settlement. Some users think Stellar is particularly positioned well for adoption. Since the announcement doesn't point to any particular blockchain protocol, those users are mostly just speculating there. We have also had the big Ukraine news as well, so overall things are looking incredibly good for XOM as well as the rest of the crypto space at the very start of this year. What is Stellar and XOM? The Stellar network is a decentralized open source protocol that allows cross-border transactions between any pair of currencies. Its native cryptocurrency XOM is a governance token that serves as a reward mechanism for users who help secure the network. As the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a current valuation of almost $9 billion, the Stellar network is one of the biggest players in the blockchain space. Managed by the Stellar Foundation, a non-profit oversight board, Stellar is looking to position itself as an easy accessible bridge between cryptocurrency and fiat currencies. Since the inception of the Stellar network in 2015, the network has processed over 450 million unique transactions made by over 4 million individuals. With Stellar's open source and decentralized technology, both small-sized developers and gigantic conglomerates can take advantage of the network to potentially increase transaction efficiency. Stellar is looking to continue its mainstream adoption growth by offering users transactions with any currency on the blockchain. It's unclear whether Stellar will rise at a ridiculous rate it currently is, but it may be a project to keep an eye on. Now, this is the last article I want to show you before we take a look at price analysis, and this one says Stellar Lumen based off Federated Credit Exchange performs first live transaction. Velo Labs based on the Stellar Lumen network records its first live transaction on the Federated Credit Exchange network FCX. The move marks an important milestone for making this new type of service available to the masses. The Velo Labs team has announced that 2 of the company's partners have conducted the first live transaction with the Federated Credit Exchange network FCX. The transaction involved fintech pioneers like Group and SEBA Bank. Velo Labs chairman commented, Velo Labs provides fast, secure, flexible and cost-effective remittance services to its partners through its Federated Credit Exchange network. The successful completion of this live transaction between LikeNet Group and SEBA Bank is more important milestone in the journey to make these types of services available to the masses. And it says down here, in the first transaction, SEBA Bank opted for a digital loan pegged to the Swiss franc. Meanwhile, LikeNet Group opted for a loan which was pegged to the USD. Consequently, the transaction used VUSD/VCHF trading pair. The exact process of the transaction is described by Velo Labs as the follows. To fully settle the transaction, SEBA Bank and LikeNet Group can convert their VUSD and their VCHF into Velo Labs tokens at any time. In this way, Velo tokens act as both a bridge asset and a universal security for FCX. So overall, what an incredible week for Stellar and cryptocurrency. I personally think this is just getting started, considering this is just the start of 2021. We have still got so much more to look forward to, and there is still a lot more growth to come. We're now going to take a look at a quick little price analysis to finish off today's video. And going off from last week, as you can see, Stellar has done incredible since last time. We have effectively tripled in price. We ended up seeing Stellar go to the levels of 40 cents, which is absolutely incredible in such a short period of time. But now we are starting to have a slight correction. This is only healthy in cryptocurrency, and what you want to try and do is always accumulate on the dips. As you can see here from this graph, I personally think for Stellar to fall into a bearish motion, we would have to fall all the way down to the levels of 10 cents. Even though that is a dramatic loss at this point, you have got to think how quickly we have grown in such a short period of time. It is abnormal for stuff to do this, but not in cryptocurrency. I personally think for us to fall into a neutral level from where we are now, we would have to fall all the way down to 15 cents, but I personally think this correction that is happening now, it will take us all the way down to 22 cents. If we fall down to those levels, we will still be above the 20 cents mark, which is incredibly bullish for Stellar. As I keep saying, this is just getting started for cryptocurrency. We are going to see this market get incredibly volatile very quickly, so hold on to your seatbelts. This ride is about to get wild. I want to know down below, what are your personal thoughts of Stellar XOM? Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or a regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can smash that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.